guys, and today I'm gonna teach you how to install fonts from iFont. First, go to here, feature. You can go to feature fonts or font finder. Google Fonts, okay, font finder. No, data font. And here you can type whatever you want. I mean, pixel art, like pixel art, as you can see. Pixel art. Then you get this type of font. And you can bring it into Procreate by just tapping this button. Mine is in Italian, but you can put it on English if you want. And you click this button, Scarica, and you click Import. And as you can see, I already installed it, but I'm gonna install this. I'm gonna click install, and you have to click allow. Have proof I downloaded. Okay, now go to settings, and go, wait. In profile, Minecraft regular. And you're gonna want to click install, and then put your passcode. So, yeah, put your passcode, and boom, and you download it. Let me put my passcode. There we go. And this profile is not signed. And then you click install. Done. Go to Procreate. Go like in this rank. No, not on this rank. Go on the montage rank. No, yeah. And go to the range and go to add text. And as you can see here, where's my? You can. There you go. You have it. You have Minecraft and Minecraft regular and Minecraft regular. There you go. And as you can see, I installed even this palette of the pixel art. Let me find it if you want to see it. I can't find it. Yeah, here, pixel art. And as you can see, pixel art. As you can see, it's in pixel art. Keyboard. As you can see, it is pixel art. Dolphin. There you go. And thanks for watching, guys. If you like this tip, bye.